If you've been working in IT or operations for more than a few years, you probably lived through at least one big automation wave. Maybe it was RPA, maybe it was workflows tools like ServiceNow Flow Designer, maybe it was scripting with PowerShell or Integration Hub. But if you're anything like the people I talk to every day, you also know a painful truth. Most of these automations are fragile. They break when something changes. They need constant maintenance, and they can only do exactly what someone already thought to program them to do. So today, I want to talk to you why a new paradigm, Agentic AI, is about to make traditional automation look like a horse-drawn carriage next to a self-driving car. And specifically, why ServiceNow is positioned to be the platform where the shift happens at enterprise scale. So here's where we're going today. We'll start with the problem, why traditional automation keeps failing us. Then we'll unpack what Agentic AI actually is and how it works. We use a simple analogy to make it concrete, then get into why ServiceNow specifically is the right platform for this. We'll compare the two head-to-head, walk through a real P1 instance scenario, and then close with the key takeaways. Let's start with the problem, because before we talk about what's coming, we need to be honest about what's broken today. Traditional automation has three fundamental failure modes that most teams just have accepted as normal. First, it breaks. Any change in process, system, or data structure can snap an automation entirely. And when it breaks, a human has to intervene, which is exactly what you are trying to avoid. So second, it's high maintenance. Every new edge case, every new scenario requires the developer to write new rules. The backlog of automation requests never shrinks. And third, it has zero adaptability. It can only do what was anticipated at design time. Novel situations fall through the cracks every single time. Here's how to think about it. Traditional automation is like train tracks. The if-then logic is elegant. A trigger fires, a rule evaluates, an action executes, a result happens. And yes, tools like Flow Designer, Integration Hub, Spokes, business rules have saved a lot of time. But here's a critical limitation. A human has to anticipate every scenario in advance and write a rule for it. The moment your destination changes or something unexpected blocks the line, the train stops dead. And in enterprise environments, things change constantly. So what's the alternative? Enter Agentic AI. And I want to be clear, this isn't just better automation. It is fundamentally a different category. An AI agent works in a loop. There are 4 steps. First is perceive. It reads context, data, history, your SMDB, past instance, SLAs, user roles. It understands the environment. Second is reason. An LLM understands the goal and the current situation. This isn't pattern matching. This is genuine reasoning about what to do next. The third one is act. So it's going to take steps toward the goal using available tools. Flow Designer, Integration Hub Spokes, REST APIs. These all can become tools the agent can call. And then we have adapt. If a step fails, it doesn't stop. It will adjust, it will try a different path, and it keeps it going until the goal is achieved. And the key word in all of this is go. You don't program an agent with rules. You give it an objective, and it figures out the steps. Let me make this concrete with an analogy that I find really clicks. Traditional automation is like giving someone a recipe and then telling them to follow it exactly. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Out of eggs, the process fails. Different cuisine? No idea. The guest is vegan? Well, it's not on my script. Agentic AI is like hiring an experienced chef and saying, great vegetarian dish. 30 minutes. Here's the kitchen. The chef checks what's in the fridge. It's going to reason through the options. It's going to adapt on the fly. Out of eggs, they can use aquafaba. Different cuisine, they pivot the style. The guest is vegan, they change the plan completely. It's the same goal, but a completely different approach. And critically, the chef doesn't need you to have anticipated every possible situation in advance. So if Agentic AI is the paradigm shift, why ServiceNow? Why not build this on a general purpose AI platform? That's a great question. And the answer comes down to 3 things. Data richness. ServiceNow sits on top of your SMDB, the single source of truth for your infrastructure, services, users, tickets, and SLA. An agent that knows a CI is business critical, owned by the CISO, and has had 3 P1 instances this quarter will reason very different than one flying blind. That context is gold. Workflow orchestration. So ServiceNow already has the connectors, the approval chains, the escalation path. Integration hub spokes, flow designer flows, REST APIs, these all become tools in the agent's toolkit. It doesn't have to figure out how to take action. The plumbing is already there. Governance and guardrails, well, this is one nobody talks about enough. Enterprises don't just want AI that can act. They want AI that acts within policy. Now, since Guardian, role-based access controls, and audit trails mean agents can be powerful without being reckless. Enterprise grade from day one. That combination, rich data, orchestration muscle, and enterprise governance is why ServiceNow is where agentic AI will scale in the enterprise. Not because the AI is smarter here, because the plumbing is already there. So let me put this side by side. We have the trigger. Right? Traditionally, it's going to use a predefined event. Agentic is going to use a goal or intent, decision-making rules versus LLM reasoning. Adaptability is going to break on edge cases versus handles ambiguity. The maintenance is high because rule needs update versus lower because the goal stays stable. Who defines behavior? A developer writes logic versus a business stakeholder that sets a goal. And explainability. Easy with rules, still emerging with AI. I want to be honest about that last one. Agentic AI isn't better in every dimension today. Explainability is still maturing. You can't always predict exactly what an agent will do, which is precisely why governance layers like Now Assess Guardian are critical and not optional. So let me make this real. A P1 incident comes in at 2 a.m. A critical service is down. With traditional automation, the system auto-creates a breach call, notifies on call via pager duty, creates the major incident record, and sends updates every 30 minutes. All good. But if the incident doesn't match the expected pattern, a human has to fill the gaps. There's no CMDB context awareness, no root cause suggestion, no remediation capability. With Agentic AI on ServiceNow, the agent checks the CMDB, identify which CIs are affected, their business criticality, upstream and downstream dependencies. It reviews similar past instance and resolution patterns. It synthesizes a real summary, not a template, an actual contextual synthesis of what's happening and the likely root cause. It suggests the most probable fix steps. It monitors the situation and updates its analysis as new alerts come in. And if it's been given the authority, it can execute remediation steps and then document exactly what it did and why. So same instance, completely different capability. The agent didn't need someone to have predicted the exact failure mode in advance. It reasoned its way through it. So here's what I want you to walk away with. One, this is a different paradigm, not just better tools. Agentic AI isn't an upgrade to Flow Designer. It is a fundamentally different category. Two, ServiceNow has the plumbing. The AI isn't smarter here. The infrastructure is. Three, start asking what goal do I want to give AI instead of what rule do I need to write. That shift in thinking is where the speed comes from. And then four, governance is non-negotiable. Now Assess Guardian, rule-based access controls, and audit trails aren't nice to haves. They're what makes enterprise deployment viable and trustworthy. Will agentic AI completely replace traditional automation? Not tomorrow. Probably not ever entirely. Simple, well-understood, stable processes will still be best served by deterministic flows. But for everything complex, ambiguous, and unpredictable, which every company faces, agentic AI isn't just better. It's a different category. The organizations that figure this out will have a massive operational advantage. And ServiceNow, with its data depth, workflow infrastructure, and governance capabilities, is where I believe this will play out at enterprise scale. Explore Now Assist AI agents at servicenow.com/products/AI agents. Start asking what goals you want to give AI, not what rules, and drop your questions in the comments. I read all of them. Thank you for watching.